Hello everyone, in this video we're going to see how you can update your Bluetooth driver on Windows 10 or 11. Welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. It is a very simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that we have to do is simply open your device manager, for which you can simply just go to the search bar that you can see right here and then start typing device manager. Here you can see device manager, so we're going to click on open and simply open device manager just like this. So after opening your device manager, we're going to search for Bluetooth. Here you can see Bluetooth right here. Now, in order to expand this, we're going to click on this arrow that you can see right here. So after clicking on that arrow, here you can see it has now expanded and all of your Bluetooth connection will show. And from here, now what we're going to do in order to update our Bluetooth driver is simply just search for your Bluetooth driver of this PC. So we're going to search just for that. So after clicking on this arrow, here you can see your Bluetooth has now expanded, and from here now you'll have to search for your Bluetooth adapter. Here you can see this Realtek Bluetooth 42 adapter is my laptop's Bluetooth adapter. So in order to update this, we'll have to simply right click just like this. And here now you can see the option of update driver. So all you have to do is simply click on update driver. And after doing that, you can search automatically for driver, or you can simply browse your computer for driver if you have manually installed the update. For now, we're going to simply click for search automatically for driver. And after doing that, here you can see the best driver for your device is already installed. So if there were any kind of requirement of update, your driver will simply be updated just like this. And yeah, that is it. That is how you can update your Bluetooth driver on Windows 10 or 11. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.